10 years is what it took us to become India's most preferred construction partner. 10 years of strategic facility and infrastructure development. 10 years of innovation to create greener and more sustainable solutions. 10 years of delivering revolutionary products to the nation and beyond.
When we started MAPE operation in India about 10 years back, keeping our basic objective in mind of having sustainable, profitable growth, two aspects of the Indian market we kept in mind. Number one, so far our business opportunities are concerned, we knew that we have got problem of plenty, which means we will have to be very choosy about choosing our business path. Number two, we knew that most of our competitors, if not all, are already established in India for many years, having number of production facilities across the country, and so they got an advantage over us to cover the whole country geographically.
We MAPE have the passion to make and deliver the quality products that people can blindly and confidently put their faith in it, and which people have already put from the last 10 years when we got established in India.
So as such, we made our strategy like this, that fundamentally we will be selecting the business opportunities by choosing clients, choosing geographical areas, choosing products where we have got strength, and support it with the best of services.
Today, our customer service is setting a benchmark in our industries. That is because we understand that each site has got different challenges. We offer solutions that are just right for the site, and we offer them a solution which are techno-commercial viable for that particular projects.
Whatever positive results we got in this 10th year of MAPE India, the credit goes to its wonderful team, highly motivated professionals, and to the great support we received from corporate head office in Milan and from the regional office in Singapore.
We are part of projects that are monuments of national pride, that are the lifelines of this economy, that preserve the beacons of our culture and heritage, that brings people closer together. Monumental intercity development or small dream homes. For 10 years, our brand has been symbolic of pioneering technology and best-in-line customer service.
MAPE Group is a world-leading company in the building industry for chemical products, an outstanding team that delivers quality in each and every project. MAPE India is upholding the same global expertise and professionalism of that of its group. In its 10 years activity, it has been developing a specialized solution that have made MAPE a proud partner of the country's growth.
The rate at which India's economy is growing, and with the investments in rural and urban development, there was a need for innovative technology that would support this growth. MAPE India is spectacularly meeting this demand with quality solutions and technical expertise. Not just in India, but also in its neighboring SAARC countries like Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Maldives. The world is expecting the next superpower to rise from Southeast Asia. And MAPE India is becoming that partner you can count on to get you there.
We are trust. We are
MAPE!